Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. Today you are in for a special treat because I have mini cheesecakes. This is a short and easy recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Stay tuned. Okay family, we have our 3 blocks of the cream cheese here. We'll add that to our bowl. This must be room temperature, guys. So we want the cream cheese, light and fluffy, and next we'll add in our sweetened condensed milk. So all of our condensed milk is in the mixture here, and just look how smooth and creamy that looks. Oh my goodness. So we'll go ahead and add my 3 eggs. Make sure these are room temperature, guys. And then our very last ingredient is 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. You gotta be careful with this, guys. I always seem to spill it and ruin my dishes, so I'm being extra careful with this. Okay. Look how thick and creamy. We're going to put about 3 tablespoons in each cup. And then we'll bake these on 300 degrees for about 20 minutes or so, or until you push it and it springs back into place. So these are ready to go in the oven. Guys, I line the pan with some parchment paper here just to make sure nothing happens to the little cups here. And then I also grabbed some of these pre-made Graham Cracker Cups just to see how they turn out. I figured why not? And I think they look cute, so whatever. So guys, these are fresh out of the oven. They look pretty good. Here are the Graham Cracker Cups over here. Those look cute. Gonna let these cool and then we'll decorate them. Family, I hope you absolutely love these little mini cheesecakes. These are perfect as a snack or at a dinner party, whatever you want. And they are too cute. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. Don't be shy, give your girl a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.